Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short, or Randy for short. And in today's video, we are going to be setting up my paycheck number 1 for July. I already did a soft closeout of my June number 2 paycheck. So if you missed that part, I'll link that video up above. But this should be a super quick video. So let's go ahead and zoom you guys in and we'll get started. Okay, so this paycheck budget is going to be tracking expenses from June 18th through July 1st. So let's go ahead and look and see what the amounts are going to be. And I'm just going to literally be copying the amounts from column number 1 because that's all the money that I designated for paycheck number 1. So our take-home pay is going to be $24.50. Rollover for this paycheck is just going to be for our mortgage, so $1,864.66. Go ahead and total that up. Okay, so that is $4,314.66. So I don't do anything down here because this is for unbudgeted expenses. So basically anything that's not in column number 1 that I'm about to write down right here on this right side goes right here, because it's basically saying that I did not budget for these expenses. They just, happen to come up during this pay period. So for mortgage, I'm actually going to pop this out so I could just copy the numbers easily. I don't like writing directly on this this little thing here because it is kind of like soft. It's not attached to my actual desk. It's attached to like this thing I use for sewing, and it's like semi-soft. So anyways, the mortgage is, like I said, $1,864.66. Childcare is $560 for 2 weeks. Vivint, which is our home insurance, is $56.47. Verizon is $125. ID theft for the family is $12.90. Paper. Gas, groceries, and Costco are our cash envelopes, and for this pay period it's going to be $110 for gas, $150 for groceries, $100 for Costco. And then the next one is house supplies, which is $25 that we're going to be putting in our sinking fund. And then the last one is going to be rollover 1 month ahead. So this is basically this total amount is what we're rolling over from July to the August budget, so that it can help with those bills. But come August, we will be 1 month ahead as well. So I'm thinking that this amount is just going to be extra on top of what we're already going to be doing in August, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, so the 1 month ahead is, if it seems like I've been struggling these last couple of videos, it's because when I zoom you guys in, it looks different when I'm editing versus what it looks like on my iPad. Like on my iPad, you guys look super zoomed in, but when I go and I export the video to my computer to edit it, then it's like you guys are still zoomed out. So that's been interesting. So that's why I'm like trying to move around the paper so that on my iPad it looks like I'm in frame, but the whole time I've been in frame when I go to edit. It's weird. I don't know why it does that, but yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, so let me actually pop this back in its place. Okay, so mortgage, let me go ahead and add up all of these expenses. Alrighty, so the expense total is $4,314.66, which matches our income total, which tells me that we have a zero-based budget, which is what I wanted. Next, I am going to go ahead and highlight all of the funds that I'm going to need for my cash envelope stuffing. And someone did ask for a digital cash envelope stuffing video, so that is going to be my next video, and I'm going to be stuffing these items right here that I'm going to highlight. So gas, groceries, Costco, and house supplies is what I'm going to stuff in the next video. And typically I just pull up a video of me stuffing it really quick on Q Money in the same video, but since somebody asked for like a full dedicated video, that's what I'm going to do next. So I'll just give you guys a little bit more details of like start to finish on how I use Q Money to digitally stuff my cash envelopes. So for this video, that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to check out more of my videos. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.